Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show WinCC OA 3.21 connecting to Modbus TCP. I use Modbus simulator to do this job. So, you can test your SCADA logic without real physical hardware. Let's start. First, we use Modbus slave to do this job. In this one, okay? We first connection. We use Modbus TCP. This IP address localhost 127.0.0.1 is port 502. Okay. Okay. Connection. So we set up slave. We use here. We use 5. Okay. 5 quantity. That's it. So first we start WinCC OA project. Okay. No. It's a solid. Okay. Okay. In here, Modbus driver is running. So we go to system management. We check driver. Go to Modbus driver. In here, this one localhost, so we use 127.0.0.1. Okay. He need the port number. You don't write down. He add automatically 502. Okay. This one activity. Okay. Apply. Close. So we go to Peripheral. Create new Peripheral. We test. Variable 1, we have 3 variables. So this DPP, this DPT, this one is DP. How we create DPE is an integer. Okay. So here, test, we create it listed. Create a new data point. Test 1. You can see here the test 1. Test 1 have 3 variables. So first variable, we insert the configure double here address, add address. Also, you can see add address is address already. Second one, Peripheral address. Third one, variable 3 address. First one, address, double click, choose Modbus, click configure. Then here, his driver number 1. This driver number 1, just this one. this, oh no, this is PLC number 1. Let me see. Here's Modbus driver number 1. Here's Modbus driver number 1. Okay. So this driver number 1, this reference we choose 1. Okay. Here we choose input, we choose pulling. In here, puller we create is test pull. Okay. This is a microsecond, which is 1 second. Okay. It's 1000 ms. Okay. So it's puller group activity. So in here is SFC, we choose read multiple register. You should choose this one. If you know this one, not working. Okay. PLC number is 1. Okay. Activity here, verify, apply. We verify. Oh, here we choose type of transformation. We choose integer 16. Okay, apply. Okay, it's working. Next. Similar Modbus configure. It's 1. This 1. This number 2. Okay, reference number 2. This number 2. Okay. We should input pulling. Okay. Here is register 16. Oh, mark here address activity. No, verify. It's working. Okay, that's good. So we should choose variable 3. Okay, everything is working, so we can test. Here we can see here it's 1, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Maybe 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now it's working communication. Then here WinCC OA communication with the Modbus TCP simulator is working. So we can Okay, we can create new interface, new panel. Okay, test. We can use this one. Copy. Okay. First, this one is variable 1. We go to here. This one, initialize. Double click here. Is display value. Choose. In here we can choose all the similar as the SCADA software. We choose a variable 1. Okay. Next, display. Okay. Look, here's reading 2, 3, 4 is already. Okay, finish. Third one, display value. Double click here. We choose variable 3. Okay. Now we can testing. Save and run. Click here. Save and run, then quick test module. Okay, in here you can see 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Oh, not working. First 2, 3, 4. No. 5, 6, 7. Variable 1. 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Is number 3 not working? Let me check. Number 3. We go to Peripheral. Number 3. Oh, this number 3 should be 0, 3. Now it's working. Okay, this is 3. Verify. Okay. Here, reference number should be 3. Okay. Yeah, 4, 5, 6 working. We can try it again. Save on the run. So let me see. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Variable 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here is the same A line. Same A line. So that's working. So That's it. Today I just show you how to communication. It's WinCC OA with the Modbus TCP. I use simulator. In the future, I use PLC Modbus TCP communication with the WinCC OA. The keyword, just be careful in here. Address. In here, drive number. In here is PLC is 1, always PLC is 1. Reference number just in here. Okay, so this setup. In here is 1. Okay, is the drive number already? This drive number is there from here. This one's drive number. If your slave ID, if you're changing this one, so it's start 1. Okay, this the first one is start 1. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you very much.